Welcome to Max Media VIP Client Help. Step 1, please download and install the 7-Zip application into your Windows or Mac PC. Step 2, open the 7-Zip application. Step 3, find your downloaded zip file. In my case, it is under my Downloads folder. Here it is, and now you just have to select it and click Extract. Do not change any of the default settings and simply click OK. And there you go. You have a new unzipped folder with all your received files. Enjoy your photos and videos, and thank you for choosing Max Media VIP, always ready to serve.